Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We are going to move forward with our 23-24 Jeep Wrangler here and show you how to get this glass actually swapped out, because these ones can be a bit of a pain. If you've ever tried one before, or at least those of you out there that have done one before can vouch for the fact that these are kind of a pain in the butt. That being said, we've already popped open our little viewport here, and I've already ran my carrier all the way down to where the 10 mil is at, and I've already removed the old carrier from the glass. So that would be this guy right here that drops on, and you just tighten that 10 mil onto that guy there. So that is already done. So we are going to move forward with taking this off, removing what we need to remove, and then getting the new glass put in, getting this vacuumed out. These are actually really easy to vacuum out because there's not a lot of nooks and crannies and places where glass can hide. So let's get started. We're going to use our little rattler here, our impact, with our 10 mil, and we're going to back all these off real quick. And as before, we're going to make sure when we put everything back, leave that one empty. So we're going to take this one off too, because that one has to come off as well. You can see these are all the same, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up, and stick those in the pocket. Then we are going to remove our felt molding here, make sure that is all cleaned. I've already sucked this out, vacuumed all this out, and I've also already vacuumed out and cleaned out my felt around the window. So see, we got our new glass right there. This guy, we're going to give this a little tug, and this has the foam around the edge, so sometimes it sticks, sometimes it does not. We've got a pin right here that drops in the door that you're going to need to pull to get it to let go, like so. And then to give yourself a little more slack, we're going to go ahead and unplug our motor, and then we're going to pop these three guys right here. So that one, and that one. And we're not trying to remove it, we're just trying to give ourselves a little more slack so we can get in here and move around. So we'll grab our vacuum, and we're going to vacuum this guy out real quick. As you can see, not a lot of places for glass to hide in here. Give that a little rattle. And looks like we got it all. Again, definitely one of the easier ones to vacuum out. So then what we're going to do is we need to move this, the center mullion here for our vent glass or quarter glass, out of the way, because when we drop our new glass in, it's going to be behind here. We can't exactly remove the guide that's along this edge here without pulling this whole thing out, and this is attached to our latch mechanism, so you don't want to pull this whole thing if you don't have to. You can, but again, you don't have to. So we are going to take this guy, we're going to kind of pull this rubber down out of the way here. We're going to swing this just like that, so this is kicked over there. Take our new glass, slide it right in like so. We're going to try to keep it slotted in here, and let that Go down, and then we're going to catch the bottom of it with our hand here to make sure that we don't get hung up and drop the glass and break it on the inside. And then this takes a little bit of finagling because you're actually stuck inside that guide that's on this panel here. So swing that a little bit, and we're going to pull this over. Swing that, there we go. There we go. So you pull that over, slide that into that corner. Now we can start to push this back in place and slide our glass up. Make sure we're all good on this side. Oh, we got our rubber tucked underneath here. Pull that out of the way and slide that all over like so. Sounds like we got a little piece of glass in there on the middle. We'll get that out of here in a minute. I'm going to line this guy back up, snap that in place, and we're going to slide our glass down, and we're going to watch right inside here for that guy to come down. It's a little bit tight, so back this off a little bit. Let that drop down. And then before we tighten that up, make sure all in here. And we're going to put a couple of these bolts in here real quick. One more here for that guy. And again, remember to leave this one open for your handle. We're going to check our rubber here all the way around. Make sure we get this all tucked back in place like so. Check our outside, and we are all good there. We got our overlap there, nothing wrinkled. And lock that back down, plug in, and then snap these guys back in place, and then make sure you tighten down your window carrier. And then the nice thing about Jeeps is you don't have to put the door panel back on to test it, because all the controls are in the middle. A little squeaky. Well, we've got some dry lube we can spray in that rubber to stop that. Looks like everything works like it's supposed to. Leave that down so we can put everything else back together, and that is changing out a rear door glass on a 23-24 Jeep Wrangler. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.